What? Bike check. Got bars, a stem, a headset, a Colt frame, stolen forks, stolen rim, stolen grips. These are part of my bike. Power wheel, because Bundy. Cranks. Don't know what ones they
Premium.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Odyssey pedals. Top notch.
Haro.
That's not Haro.
It's Haro's.
Okay, it's Haro. It's Haro's.
And Colt.
Colt chain.
And what, the seat.
GTC.
What are your bars? What are they?
This is the most sexual,
Yeah, I gotta do
comfy
something.
seat.
Yeah.
What is? Okay, so we got some stolen pegs so that sand them down. It's cool.
You gonna hit a rail? Fuck the puddle.
I feel like I forgot something.
What the fuck is this? It's your chode.
I am a trick. I'm a trick.
He's gonna do a trick. Oh, they don't know who's filming.
I'm a trick.
This is Tyler guy.
That's Cam.
Okay.
Hello. That's Cam.
Cam. I don't ride very well, but
He always calls shots. It always
I call
hurts
the
me.
shots and hurt him.
Because
Because I'm a bully.
he's homo.
I'm bully.
I don't know. I think I turned off my phone.
No, you didn't turn off your phone. You just zoomed in. Close up on your face.
So
What are we doing?
what's the trick?
You are going to nose bonk 180 this. Cam's calling the shots. I know you're gonna die.
I'm not actually.
Okay.
I'm going to.
Okay, you're just gonna get the rail first, and then
I'm not getting that either.
why not? You did it before.
Yeah, I'll get
Sketches. Fuck. Oh, boys. Anything you want to say to the camera?
I ride bikes.
Cam's bike check. Stolen bars. Stolen. Oh yeah, they're a bit fucked. Stolen grips. Stolen forks. What's that front wheel? E-clap front wheel and female hubs. I don't know. Kink frame. Stolen stem. Fuck, I don't know what my headset is.
Shadow.
Shadow
Conspiracy
con pedals. No idea what my crank arms are. I got a stolen sprocket which doesn't fit. I have no idea what my chain is.
That is a premium gay.
Chain.
It's not a
And
premium chain.
it's loose because my
Because tight spots.
No.
Oh, is it got?
no, it doesn't got a tight spot. It's just loose because
Okay.
my sprocket doesn't fit.
What's the back wheel stolen?
Yes, it's stolen. I
Okay.
don't know what that is.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
And I got exposure like nuts and bolts.
That was cool.
Yes. Okay, we've got toe rags. Toe rags, yeah. All rides for day.